As a homeowner, you may be thinking, what can you do to upgrade the value of your home that isn't going to break the bank? Well, I can tell you just a few things that will help you. Number one is going to be paint. This is the most important thing. It is amazing what paint can do for your home. And this means paint on your walls or even paint on your cabinets. You can change the style. Remember, a lot of value is going to come from the local trends. So especially if you are thinking of selling your home, if your cabinet colors are dated, a fresh coat of paint is going to be just the thing to upgrade. And most cabinets, most kitchens could be painted for $5,000 or less. This is a relatively low cost for the high returns it's going to bring by attracting more buyers to your home. Next, of course, is just going to be overall general cleanliness, making sure the blinds are clean, making sure your vents are dusted, make sure your baseboards, the scuff marks, all these little things. When a home buyer comes into your home, they're going to be looking at the overall wear and tear. So when they go through and the realtor says, hey, let's look here, and they say, oh, look how clean this home is, that actually brings a lot of comfort to a buyer that the rest of the home has been taken care of. Next is going to be light landscaping. Now, I'm not talking about adding thousands and thousands of dollars of palm trees in your home. That's gorgeous, but there is going to be that point of no return. What I'm talking about is maintaining your lawn, making sure your shrubs are cut properly, making sure there's great rocks or mulch, everything is bright. You don't need to go overboard on flowers, but make sure it is clean and manicured. Next, pressure washing. Again, you don't realize it, but especially in Florida, all of the pollen, the dirt, the things that get swished around in all the rainy seasons, a great pressure washing is going to brighten up your home, brighten up your driveway, and it's going to make the appearance look new. And again, if you can spare the extra money to paint the exterior and update the colors of your outside, that's going to bring you a lot of value as well. Next could be simple touches in the home, such as lighting and knobs. So when you are looking to update the look of your home, focus on what the trends are. If it is black knobs, black finishes, brass finishes, update the lighting and finishes, and these are some things that will increase the value of your home.